Oh my gosh. Oh, good lord. Okay. Look at that. What is that? What the Oh, dude. Hi guys, welcome back. I am super excited for this video. So I had gotten a request or recommendation from someone, and I'm not gonna say their name just out of respect. I'm not sure if they want their name to be said, but I thought this was super cool. But I am super excited to do this. So we are actually going to be looking at my tattoos and makeup with a microscope. I'm so excited. The only video that I have actually seen on YouTube here is from Rawbeautykristis. I am a subscriber to her channel. She is amazing. And I saw her video that she did with a microscope, and that was super, super cool. I do want to put a warning out to those viewers that do not like holes or hair or anything like that that is going to gross them out. If this video grosses you out, definitely click away, do not watch. We're going to be looking at a couple of makeups that I have. I have some eyelashes that I've worn once or twice, lipstick, I have a cream blush, I have my beauty blender that's pretty dirty, and I wanted to see what a highlighter, liquid highlighter, would look like on the skin. So, and I have a couple other things that we're going to be doing, so I'm super excited. So let's start. First, I think what I'm going to do is my tattoos. So I have a tattoo here on my wrist. I got this about 7 years ago. Oh my gosh. What is that? This is what an old tattoo looks like. Oh, my skin looks rough. I'm moisturized too. Got some glitter, a little bit, looks like glitter. Or maybe it's just, you know, something else. I don't know. That is really freaking neat. So that is an old tattoo. Now let's look at my new tattoos that I had gotten about a week and a half ago. This is the tattoo that I recently got. It's starting to heal, it's starting to scab. So let's see. Look at all that. It's dry, it's starting to scab over. Now what is that though? Like I can't even see that with my eyes. I can't even see that. But on here, what the heck? Okay, let's look at the other one. Like I saw, I got my daughter's initials on this side. So let's take a look. Ew, I got some hair there. Okay. That's awesome. Some dry skin, some more hair. It's definitely scabbing. Look at that. Look at that. So that's what a new tattoo looks like. Now, I got this one of my daughter's handprint about 3 years ago. So let's see what this one looks like. One's pretty faded. Look at that. Just blends right in with this. Oh, there's some hair. Oh my gosh. This is really neat. This is really super cool. Okay. We're gonna take a look at my hair. So my hair is a little wet. I have some mousse in it, so it's a little crunchy back here. Let's see. Pretty shiny. There's some dandruff, that's awesome. There's a lot of dandruff. Oh my gosh, I got a dry skin. Scalp. Look at my scalp there. Whoa. That's crazy that that's how our hair looks like, really up close. That is insane. That's really neat though. It's kind of gross, but it's neat at the same time. Okay, so, warning. If you do not like holes, there is a word for it. I will leave it on the screen here. There's a name for not liking holes. If you have this, I would look away now. We're going to take a look at my beauty sponge. This is by e.l.f. Pretty gross. I used it this morning. It's cleaned it, but I used it earlier. So let's take a look. Oh. Even this is grossing me out. Oh, there's hair there. What the heck? See, just looking at it, I can't even see that. Oh, yep, there's another piece of hair. Just looped, woven through there, and I can't even see that. It's pretty clean right here. But up here where I use my concealer. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is my Milani lipstick. I've used this a couple times. This is Black Cherry. And I've worn this a couple times, but not recently. Let's take a look. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, good lord. Okay. I don't know if I want to wear this. What? What? What is that? I'm debating on whether I should throw this out now. Okay. My Honest Beauty Cream Blush. I have this on my face right now. And I don't know if I'm going to regret saying that. So, looking at it up close right now, there are some little bumps in there. Because, you know, hair gets in there sometimes. And I also use this, so patting it in there, using that. So we're going to see what it looks like up close. Shall we? Oh. That's awesome. Look at all that hair that's in there. Look at that. What is that? What the Oh, dude. That's a lot of hair right there. Look at that. See, cream blushes are stunning and they're beautiful and they look natural. Cream products are the one thing that do attract a lot of hair and dirt. So yeah. That's awesome. And I have that on my cheeks right now. So that's lovely. Got some Kiss lashes here that I've worn once, maybe twice. So they might have some lash glue on them. Let's take a look. Oh, actually doesn't look that bad. Got some mascara in there. That is so neat how... That is really neat how they're like woven in there. There's some lash glue. Let's take a look at the other one. Not bad. This one's actually pretty clean-ish. These are actually not that bad. If I brought my Kiss Bell lashes, I wear those ones all the time. Those would probably be really gross. Probably should have brought those ones with me, but I didn't. I'm going to put some of the Iconic London Illuminator on my skin, on my hand here. And we're going to take a look. I think I might have put too much. We're gonna spread that out. And it's beautiful. Look how stunning that looks. Let's take a look up close. See what this baby looks like. Oh, that is beautiful. Minus the hair. That is really pretty. Look how shiny and glossy that looks. Okay, so here's my hand without... Well, it actually has some sparkles on there. There's my hand without it, and there's my hand with it. That is really pretty. I have a freckle here on my knee. Just want to see what the freckle looks like up close. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. That is what my freckle looks like up close. That is interesting. And let's look at my shirt. Oh, you can actually see. You can't even. That is so neat. What? Alright. You're about to go in my nose. Let's take a look at my nose ring. Okay, there's my nose ring. It's pretty dirty just from my makeup. There's the ball. There's my nose hairs. Oh, I'm blinding myself. Let's take a look at my lips. I got some lipstick on. Interesting. Very meaty. Very meaty. Let's take a look at my cheeks. Ooh. So there's the bronzer, blush, and highlight right there. And a lot of hair. Wow, I think I need to shave my face. Let's look at my nose. How many pores do I have? Can't really tell with all the makeup on. What is that? Wait. Look at that. Interesting. How about the ear? I'm having fun with this, guys. Let's take a look inside my ear. Oh, I think I need to clean my ears out. Oh, look at that wax in there. Look at that. Oh, good Lord. Wow. Wow. Either some of you are going to be scarred and think that I'm disgusting, which I swear I'm clean, okay? Or some of you are going to think this is really, really neat, like I do. If you think it's really, really gross, I apologize. I promise you I'm clean. Wow. Okay, guys. I guess that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm not gonna lie, that actually kind of grossed me out a little bit. That really did. Other than that, this was really fun. I really enjoyed doing this. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see more microscope videos of maybe something else, I thought about maybe doing it outside with like the trees or the grass or something, like just looking at it up close. I wouldn't mind doing that. That would be really neat. Or maybe doing it on my daughter just to see what her skin looks like. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see next with the microscope, because this was a lot of fun. I enjoyed this, and thank you to the gentleman who recommended me to do this video. I appreciate it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!